Hi everybody, this is Aeon from Nature and Wellness Studio. I'm happy to join this week. So we're going to do foam crafts, but with stuff using from nature. So I'm sure that this is something you've done before, maybe not. I'm ready to introduce it to you. So we are going to use leaves for this project. So if you maybe have fake plants at home, this is also fine too. But if you have, available to find leaves outside, pick like at least 3. 1 or 2 is fine as well. I also have some paper and have some color pencils handy. So we are going to attempt to make something like this. So the color pencil was able to reveal all like the pretty veins. See how every little detail and crevice that the color pencil is able to reveal for us. We're going to do the same thing, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Okay, so first things first. Grab yourself a clean sheet of white paper. White paper. A leaf. Any leaf. Disclaimer. Be careful when you're going out to pick leaves because there's poison ivy out there. So rules of 3, let it be. Don't touch it because you can get a rash from that. So take your leaf and spread it in how you want it to look. This one they gotta look pretty cool because it has like little different petals on it. You take it, put it underneath your paper, and you press so that your leaf doesn't kind of like roll up or like move out of position. You want it to be stable. See how already it's kind of showing through the paper? Just wait till you add the color pencil. It's gonna look so good. So last time I used red. How about we use maybe a different color? Let's say let's use blue. Okay, so you hold the paper and you start down going up. So you don't need to add a lot of pressure. Oh my goodness, that is not showing that much. Okay, maybe I'll do red again so maybe able to see it better. There we go. Okay, so now going to simply, we'll add pressure and just simply color over the outline of your leaf. And I know it looks blurry now, but I'm going to show you how it looks close up in a minute. Just want to make sure it's dark enough so that everyone can see. It's almost like magic. You know? We didn't draw it or anything. All we did was just use a color pencil, some paper, and a leaf. And now we have a leaf on our paper. And you can color it as dark as you want because the details themselves are still going to show through. Looks like I missed some parts. That's the kind of fun about it when, for this project, is that you don't know where everything is until you fully reveal everything. I'm just gonna color this a little bit more. Okay, all right. Now you're going to take your leaf from underneath, and look at that. Now you have basically a more colored replica of the leaf. Okay, we're gonna do another one. Maybe this one right here, and maybe like the top corner. If this part of this can be like for a coloring page, maybe making a drawing, just to add like some really cool like detail or anything. Kind of use your imagination. So this time this leaf is in the upright corner. I'm going to use green, typical, but I'm trying to use colors that you can see. For example, this light blue isn't going to transfer anything, so start with this green, push the leaf right in the corner. Make sure you guys can see what's going on. Okay, so take your leaf, put it up in the corner, push it down, and if it merges with this, it's gonna look pretty cool. It kind of reminds me of how autumn is. So you take your green, and look at that, guys. My apologies for being blurry, but I promise you it is way better close up. And it's like the color pencil has some sort of magic because it reveals everything. Every single detail, from all the veins, from the stem, everything. Maybe you can merge the two together. If you want, you could have put all the leaves on top of each other. Totally up to you. And simply set up just like that. Give you guys a better close up. Remove your leaf. And here you go. This looks pretty cool, guys. I think so. So this is one of the things you can do using nature to make art. Well, I'm glad you all joined me today. And if you want, maybe you can show me one day. I'm excited to see cool projects. All right. I am happy that you all joined me today and hope you all enjoy the rest of your weekend. Have a great day. See you next week. Bye.